In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on videos in Canva. Whether you're updating a project or enhancing your visual presentation, being able to zoom in on a specific part of your video can offer a more engaging experience for your audience. And what's great about Canva is that it provides an intuitive and straightforward way to make these adjustments. To get started first, you'll need to open your video project in Canva. Once you're inside the editor, locate your video timeline at the bottom of the screen. If you're not already there, click on the video file that's already imported into your project space. This action will bring up a series of controls and editing tools specific to video content. Now, to adjust the zoom level, focus your attention on the circle handle at the bottom of the video preview area. You'll notice it's a draggable element, and this is what allows you to zoom in or zoom out on your video. Simply click and hold this circle, then drag it carefully to the right to zoom in or to the left to zoom out. This is incredibly useful if you want to highlight a particular section or detail without cropping parts of your video. It's important to note that as you zoom in, the frame size remains the same, so consider the composition and centering of the video content as it changes with the zoom level. This feature lets you creatively control the focus of the viewer's attention, helping emphasize key elements within the scene, or perhaps conceal parts you might not want prominently displayed. One helpful tip to keep in mind is to periodically review your work by playing back the video within Canva. Watching the adjustments in real time ensures that the zoomed in sections transition smoothly with the rest of the footage. This review can be done easily by clicking the play button located in the video editor, allowing you to make any necessary tweaks while still on the same screen. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, make sure to save your project. You can do this by clicking the share button and selecting the download option to save your new video to your device. Canva offers various file format choices, so ensure you select the one that best fits your display needs, whether for online sharing, presentations, or any other purpose. So that's how you can effortlessly zoom in on videos in Canva, enhancing your projects with greater focus and professionalism. With these steps, you now have the ability to create more compelling video content that captures the essence of your message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing in Canva.